let's get on with part 3. Let's go. Now, like I said, I always start the video halfway, or past halfway, a little bit past. And what I got right now, that's what I got, and what I'm doing right now. Look, I'll show you. Ta-da! Slap it on the pillow, like always. Slap it on the pillow. Then you grab the piece you're working on. Slap it on here. Now, I gotta get a black piece. Where's the black piece? There, a black piece and 2 tan pieces, and slap them at the one tan piece goes here. The other one goes right on top of it. The black piece goes right. Oh crap! I can't put it in because of the angle. My fingers in. Black piece goes right there. Perfect. Perfect. Like that. Like that. Then we take a white piece, this white piece, and put it there. Like that. Okay. See, now we need a blue one. I think it's, yeah, this one. Oh, blue. Yeah. Wait, it should click in. There we go. There's a gap. There's a gap there. Oh, crap, it fell. It fell. Oh no, that's not good. There we go. Flip the page. Okay. We need another white piece. Where are you? We need another one of these. Put it right. Huh. The ectoplasm. Oh shoot, I forgot something. Forgot something crucial. This is crucial. It's crucial if we want to build. Put it back into place. I needed one of these pieces. I wasn't looking. I wasn't paying attention. I needed one of that piece. Check for my name, palm error. There we go. That's how you do it. Okay. Now we need 2 gray pieces. 2 gray pieces and a tan. So this is what we need. Wait, my finger's in the way. Gray piece, tan piece. Grab the tan piece. Oh shoot. I think I'm blind, bro. Slap this on there. Slap this on. This, put it at the very back, right here. Then grab this gray one and put it right here. Oh my god, it won't go in. Bruh, it literally disconnected. There we go. Disconnected most of the thing, but I got it back. Then, I'm assuming, put a tan piece, then a gray, like that, tan, and then a gray, then another gray, right here, like that. Wait, it won't go in, it won't click. There we go, like that. now we need these 2 white pieces and put them at the veti. Bruh. Wrong ones. These 2 white pieces. And put them at the front. The frontal lobe. To make it look like this. Yeah. Flip the page. Then we grab, let me see. Ow, my ribs are hurting. Ouch, it hurts. Grab 2 of these tiny little blue pieces. Nah, I'm joking. I'm just choking. I'm joking. Like that. Like that. Then you grab a bigger version, the bigger version of it. You grab this. Check. So you grab the bigger version of the tiny ones, and then grab 2 flat ones. 2 of these flat ones. There you go. 2 flat ones right here. 2 flat ones. Perfect. You slap it on in there. Grab your three pieces. Find where you put them. And put them. And go here. Here. The other one. Go here. That. And this one. Goes right here. Wait a minute. Right here. Oh, I gotta clip that into place. Right there. Like that. Then I need a... Wait. Yeah. This one plus 2 threes. There you go. 2 of these, and then 1 of this. Then these 3, the 2 blue ones go. 2 blue ones go right here, and then take the white one and put it right there. Ta-da! There you go. Okay. Of course, I wasn't finished. And I was about to flip the page, too. I'll grab this tiny little piece and put it right... I'm blind, so I can't see. You put it right here. There you go. Flip the page. Then we grab 4 tiny blue pieces. Nah. Yeah. And you put them, you grab one, and you put it in right here. See, and then you keep putting them in. See this tiny little one? It's a good thing they're not stacked on top of each other. If it was, that would have taken me another 10 years to separate. Because yes, you have to actually separate them to make them. Like, if you have the plane and you want to make the jet, you have to disassemble the plane and then make the jet, which is kind of inconvenient when they literally could have put 3 bags, and each bag would have each of the vehicles instead of 3 bags for all the vehicles. Just inconvenient. But well, we're doing it. Not yet. We still need the cockpit, which I somehow haven't finished yet. And yes, if you are wondering, this is the cockpit. Well, the cockpit will be on this thing. This is just a big chunk of the jet that has the cockpit inside of it. Why? Wait a minute. No, it can't be. Nah. 2 of each piece. And you gotta put it like that. How am I supposed to take this out now? I don't know how. Like, look. My fingers probably block it there. Now it's gonna be impossible to take that out. Yeah. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Well, to be honest, I don't think I'm even gonna build the other ones. I am getting way too tired to build these. You guys drop in the comments if I should go to summer camp tomorrow. Because my sister said that apparently we're having some water activities tomorrow, like water balloons. I don't believe her. Because she's probably only telling me that so I can go. I don't believe her. I'm trying to replicate that when Rumi sniffed that big. I don't know. It's really hard to replicate because and then yeah, it's hard to replicate. Very hard. Okay, now the cockpit right here. The cockpit right here. And you place it in. Ta-da! Flip the page. Grab this. It should clip into. It should stick into place. Lego brick into place. This looks like a big jet. Big jet. Big jet. Yeah. I mean, it's not finished, but it looks big. It's big, even though it's not really finished. But yeah. Okay. Now we need these 2 pieces and put them on the side. And put them on each side. Because there's no way a jet is gonna look like this. This looks ugly. A jet like this is ugly. You gotta put more details into it. So you go like this. And then like this. Oh crap, oh no, it broke off, no! A piece of it broke off. I think I got it though. Wait, I don't think I got it. No. Flip it upside down and perform plastic surgery. We gotta perform surgery before he dies. Hurry, he's gonna die. Oh my god. He's gonna die. No. The surgery is almost fully completed. We have completed the surgery. Right here, the surgery is done. This piece fell off. Like, this entire chunk right here fell off. Yeah, it did. So, yeah. But, yeah, I put these 2, and now it looks way better. Now it does look like, now it does look like a fighter jet. Well, a jet. I don't actually think this is a fighter jet. I mean, you could say it's a fighter jet, but I don't know. It's a jet. That's all I know. It's a jet. That actually sounds it. Nah, I can't do ASMR for butt cheeks, bro. I can't do ASMR for butt cheeks. I couldn't do ASMR if my life depended on it. Now we flip it upside down. We flip it upside down like this. It's a good thing that I kept the wheels like this. I kept them like that. I didn't break them apart. When I was demolishing the race plane, I decided instead of ripping them apart, instead of taking them apart, I would keep them on. And it's a good thing I did, because now I have to use them. Look. Because now I have to use them. Ta-da! Wait, wrong one. Ta-da! Oh, crap. Ta-da! The wheels. So, yeah. Ta-da! Oh, wait. I still have to put the wheels on. Wheel number 1. And wheel number 2. Perfect. Perfect. There you go. Smooth. Smooth. Okay. 16 minutes already, bro? You gotta be serious. I have been sitting here for 60 minutes. As a matter of fact, all these videos have taken me until nighttime to make and upload. Because I've been sitting in this room trying to post these videos and upload the videos. And I've been here since I've been here for 3 to 4 hours. And it's nighttime already. Nighttime. How? I don't remember days going past that fast. I don't remember that. But yeah. And I've been sitting in the same room for 3 to 4 hours. Yeah, crazy. I'm gonna put it back where it was. Oh, it fell. There we go. I need this tiny little black piece that's really easy to lose. And if you do lose it, it's probably gonna end up joining a gang, not gonna lie. Bruh. I'm just gonna put it in the hole. Oh, right there. Right in the hole. There's like 1, 2, 3 holes. So yeah, I think that's it. That could just be it. Nope, it is not it. Great. Bro died of fall damage. It's crazy how planes this year have actually died of fall damage. This year, when I went to Florida on March this year, instead of taking a plane, I had to do a road trip from Delaware all the way to Florida, which was like 13 to 14 hours. Crazy. Because I was way too scared to take a plane. Because there was just so many plane crashes happening. I didn't want to take a plane. Like, no. No. But yeah. And this year, I think we're going to Florida again in September for my sister's birthday. And that time, we're going on a plane next time, which is September. We're going on a plane. Thing is, my mom gets nervous on planes. She gets anxious. So yeah, I don't know how she's gonna feel about that. But yeah. Time to keep going because I yap too much. no one ordered, and no one ordered a Yappuccino. Did y'all? Yeah, no. And the video's going for 20 minutes already, so. No. I gotta shut my butt cheeks up. I gotta shut my eye up. Shut my eye up. There we go. Like this, like that. Then we add. You grab this white piece. Put it at the grab this, put it here, right behind the white piece. Oh my god, it won't go in. There we go. Grab two tiny white pieces. Two of these tiny little white pieces. Put them behind the gray piece. There we go. You might not notice it, but yeah, they're there. Then flip the page. We're gonna take another one. We're gonna take this piece, this piece, with this bigger piece. And set this one. Wait. This one here. This one here, like that. Then grab this piece. Then grab this piece, which this piece, which I'm sure a lot of you have seen by now. Blub. Oh, my back hurts. And we grab an even bigger piece. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. He was hiding. This tiny little piece was hiding from me. Why are you hiding? Bro, my camera, my iPad is, well, it's not really my iPad. It's my sister's iPad. I would record on my phone, but my phone is dead, and I'm too lazy to charge it. Actually, this whole time I've been recording on my sister's iPad this whole time. My baby sister's iPad. Because I have two stepsisters, a half sister, which I don't know if you also count that as a stepsister, and then my sister. And my sister and my half sister live with me. My two stepsisters live in Puerto Rico. So yeah. Ta-da, like that. Like a mountain. Mountain of rage and sorrow. Actually, no. A mountain of regret. Mountain of regret. Pain and regret. The regret of being here. The regret of buying this for $12 when you had to disassemble it just to make a different one. And yes, this was $12. This was $12. I'm telling you. There we go. Nope. Nope. So yeah. Is that a fruit fly? I don't know. I can't see. Flip the page. I heard a crack in my spine. Yes, there it is. The jet. Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. Grab this stand that I've not touched in 10 years. And we're gonna peg it into place. How, you may ask? I don't know how. I really don't know how. Don't care about the thing, these steps. How does it look? The plane is like this. So how do I make it go? Oh, like that? Yes, here we are. The plane of regret, pain, and sorrow. This took me a long time. Close the book. If y'all want to see videos on my jumping spiders, which one of them is somewhere. It's missing. It's a tiny one I couldn't find in one of my videos. I couldn't find it, but then I found it. And now I really can't find it. I'm freaking out. Bye.